Ever wondered how to make history come alive and capture the internet's attention? Today, I'm going to show you how to create viral history videos using Leonardo AI. From crafting captivating scripts to generating stunning visuals, we'll cover all the secrets to turning your historical content into a hit sensation. Stick around to discover the tools and techniques that will elevate your videos and keep your viewers hooked. Now let's dive into the step-by-step tutorial. The first thing you need to do is create the script. I'll walk you through two methods for this. The first method involves using ChatGPT. You can go to the ChatGPT platform and ask it to write a paragraph based on the main idea of your video. However, keep in mind that the content generated might not always be engaging enough to go viral, as it may not capture people's interest effectively. To boost your chances of success, I recommend trying the second method. Start by choosing a video you like and copying its URL. Then, head over to the DubDub website and use their transcription feature to convert the video's spoken content into text. Afterward, return to ChatGPT and ask it to rephrase the transcribed text for you. This way, you'll have a well-crafted and optimized script with a higher potential to gain popularity on your platform. Next, we need to generate images and B-roll. For this, I suggest using Midjourney. However, if you're unable to subscribe to its paid version, you can use Leonardo as an alternative. If you have access to GPT-4, you can ask it to generate prompts for Midjourney. If not, you can experiment with different prompts until you find the right one. For high-quality images, it's best to invest in a Midjourney subscription, but for now, we'll stick with Leonardo. The first step is to go to the app.leonardo site. Navigate to the AI image generation section and start creating images for each scene of your video. You can try a variety of prompts, and I've provided a PDF below with some suggestions. Keep generating images until you're satisfied with the visuals and style for your video. Now that we've crafted the script using ChatGPT and created the images with Leonardo, it's time to handle the voice recording. Several AI tools can convert text to speech, and I'll be using 11 Labs for this. Here's how. First, open 11 Labs and go to the Voice Library section. I found a voice that I liked and selected it. Next, copy the script we generated in ChatGPT, paste it into 11 Labs, remove any empty sections, and hit the Generate button. Now, let's move on to editing the video and making it as polished as possible. First, import the voiceover and images into CapCut. Drag the voiceover into the timeline, and then we need to remove any pauses or gaps. Use the Cut tool to eliminate these empty spaces so the audio sounds smooth and professional. Next, we'll start adding the images we generated. First, change the aspect ratio to 9:6, which is the intended format. Then, insert the images and resize them to fit the screen. Aim to switch between images every 3 to 5 seconds to keep viewers engaged. Repeat this process for all the images. Now, let's add some transitions and animations to make the video more dynamic. Start by applying the zoom animation and ensure it lasts for the entire duration of each image. For the transitions, use one called Slide Left to bring in the next image smoothly. After that, go to the animation section and select the combo option. You can experiment with effects like Pendulum 1 or Pendulum 2 for a cool visual look. Apply the Slide Left transition again and then add the pendulum effect. Continue doing this for all the images, trying out different animations and transitions. You can also use the Pan Left effect for a nice, smooth movement. Explore all the available transitions to find the ones that work best for your video. There's also a whoosh transition that fits well with this style of content, so apply that to all your images as needed. Now, let's preview the video and see how it looks. Next, we'll add music, captions, and a few more animations. To enhance the visuals, we'll apply some extra effects. Start with the clear effect to sharpen the images. Add it to the timeline and ensure it covers the entire video. Head over to the Effects tab and experiment with different ones for various scenes. For instance, if the scene involves a battle, you could use the Fire effect. If there's a sinister character, try the Black Fog effect. I've already added the Luminance effect for the first scene. The frost effect didn't quite work, so I switched to the sun effect. But if that doesn't work either, I'll leave it as is. In the third scene, I'll use the fire effect to represent the Maya tribe punishing the losers. Feel free to experiment with as many effects as you like to see what works best for each scene. Now that your video looks great, let's add some music. Choosing the right background music can elevate your video to a whole new level. The YouTube audio library is an excellent resource for finding copyright-free music, but I'll be using royalty-free music from Pixabay. We don't want to get too experimental with the music, so for this history video, we'll go with a motivational track. In the search bar at the top of the page, type motivational background music to filter out tracks suitable for this theme. Once you find the perfect music, click the download button next to the track. After downloading, head back to CapCut. Just like with the voiceover, import the soundtrack and place it on the timeline. Adjust the volume by selecting the track and using the volume control to fine-tune it. Next, let's add captions. Go to the text section, select Auto Captions, and click Create. CapCut will automatically generate the captions. If there are any errors, you can correct them manually. To make the text more visually appealing, apply the pop-up animation, which will display the text word by word. Change the font to match the one used by the channels we've discussed earlier. You can download this font for free if you don't have it. Finally, follow the on-screen adjustments to ensure the text looks polished. Now, let's review the video.
Once upon a time, two powerful kings, Cambyses and Amasis, lived in different places. Cambyses asked Amasis for a doctor, but the doctor was sad to leave his family. When the doctor went to Cambyses, he wanted to get back at Amasis.
And that's a wrap on creating viral history videos with Leonardo AI. I hope you found these tips and tricks helpful in bringing your historical content to life. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content on making your videos stand out. Have any questions or tips of your own? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.